Welcome to 1330 Brook Street, apartment number C. We're going to do a walkthrough of this 2-bed, 2-bath apartment. So we just walked into the entry area, into the living room, wood-burning fireplace, a very nice balcony out back, a patio I should say, because we are in the ground level. And as we turn around and face the other way, the door behind the entrance that we just came in is the laundry room. Full-size side-by-side washer dryers. This is the coat closet. And now we're going to go into the dining kitchen area. Nice sized dining space for a table, fits 4 or 6 people. Granite counters, stainless steel appliances, dishwasher, fridge and stove. And the door at the end is the pantry. As we go down the hallway, the first door on the right is the first of 2 bathrooms. Tub and shower. If you have pets, that's a nice place to put the kitty litter. And the door on the left is the linen closet, and we're now walking into the second bedroom. Glass doors, get yourself ready to go out. AC and central heat. And this is the principal bedroom, 14 by 12. Bring your king-size beds. And over here we have a large walk-in closet. And your own private bath. So that's 1330 Brook Street in St. Charles, unit number C. Give us a call at 773-961-7962. We'd love to show it to you in person. By the way, it is all sprinklered. Or visit the website, which is 1350brook.com, 1350brook.com. Thanks, we look forward to meeting you.